Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Just going to do a quick tutorial, I guess you can call it, how to or whatever, on clear resin like I showed before. But we're going to do a couple gauges, or a couple dashes, the gauges in them, and a couple LED lights. So stick around, be right back. Okay guys, so we're back and gonna get some of this done here. Gonna try and make this quick, but this is the clear resin kit that I got off Amazon, and I'll have the link below in the description if you want to check it out. And it's pretty simple. Move the camera a little bit. I mean, you get 2 bottles of the resin with some twist tops, your UV light. Just plugs in the USB, and then I'm just going to use a paint mixing cup, what I use them for, and a brand new toothpick. I don't want to put too much in there. There we go. But the kit comes with 2 of these bottles, and I'm sure that's going to last for a long time. So let's start with this one here. And I'm going to use the thicker end of the toothpick. Just start dabbing it in there. And watching for air bubbles we can poke out with the other side of the toothpick. You can probably use a brush, you know, for doing this too. We're just going to fill these right up. Hope you can see that. So we'll get that one's done. So we'll put that under the light, UV light, for 1 minute and 50 seconds. And let's do this one here too. Try not to put too much in there. Just a little dab. Can always add more. Yeah, it looks good. And the timer on here goes off by itself, so you don't have to worry about leaving it on too long or not enough time. I put a little bit too much in that one. That bottom one. There. I'll set this off to the side for a minute until that gets done. So be right back, guys. Okay guys, we're back, and this one is done curing for right now. We're going to put some more in there when that one gets done. And then we're going to do the dash for my 32, but we're also going to try doing these 3D printed LED headlights I printed out a while ago. I just painted up a couple quick. We're going to try to do those. I want to have a little bit of a dome on there. So I'm hoping that works, because I've tried Mod Podge, I think it was, and it just shrunk in there, and it looked like crap. So I'm hoping this stuff looks a lot better. All right, we'll wait for this to get done then, and we'll put some more on that, and start on this here in the headlights. Okay guys, so that one is cured now too. So we're going to put a little more clear resin in this one and this one. I'll put them in there and wait till those get done, and we'll start I might do the LED lights first, so we'll see. I'm kind of curious on how they're going to look. So we're just going to dab some more in these. And really, guys, this is very simple. and it looks awesome when it's done. You know, you can fill them to whatever you want them to be. Well, that one's done. Put that in there. Because you don't want to put too much of this in. It's not going to cure right, so just put a little bit in there. Build it up. I think this right here is going to do it for these. So yeah, we'll put that in there. There, get that going. All right, let's try these LED lights. I was really curious about these. I know there's probably going to be air bubbles in there, so we'll poke those out with the with another toothpick. I don't see any air bubbles in there, but just to be safe, kind of poke around in there. Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Check out Gaahleri airbrushes and accessories. Click on the link below to go check out the Gaahleri website for all of your airbrushing needs.
You can probably see I saw a couple air bubbles in there, so I mean, that looks cool. You know, we'll see after it gets done with the UV how it looks. We'll wait for these to get done. I'll show them real quick, then I'll throw that in there, and we'll do this here, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, I got the LED lights under there right now. These are done. Check that out. Doesn't it look so cool? And they're cured. Not sure if you can hear that or not, but yeah, it looks pretty cool. I've got them, I don't know, they're pretty flat, but they're domed a little bit. Usually they're kind of sunk in, I think, but I mean, it looks cool, you know. And that one, you can see I got a little bit over right there. Oh, went over a little bit right there, but both of them. But it still looks good. Just doing a test to show you guys. So if you want to get some of the stuff, you can do them. Awesome. Looks really cool. So we'll wait. We'll do this panel or this gauge cluster, and then I'll add more to the LED headlights here in a minute. But we'll do this one here. And this one's for my 32. Which I might dome these a little bit. I don't know. Let's see. I should have taped this cup down. I think that would have helped. There we go. I think that looks pretty good. Wait for that to go off and shove that in there. So I'll be right back, guys. We'll take a look at the LED lights before I put another coat on. Okay, so I got the other dash under the UV light, and here's the LED headlights so far. And they are cured. I don't know if you can hear that tapping, but we're going to put some more in there. Or more on there, I should say. And I didn't see any air bubbles in there, so that's a good thing. Alright, it looks like I got them domed a little bit. That one looks off, so we'll just add a little more. That looks pretty good right there, so we'll wait for that to go off and put those in and take a look at them. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, we're back. I ended up doing that anyway because I've been pausing too much. So the gauges here are all done, And yeah, they look pretty cool, I think. It looks awesome. That one looks like I could put a little bit more in, which I might later. The small ones look good. I'll probably add a little more to that one right there. Actually, let's just do it now. That way I don't have to do it later. Oh, that stuff kind of hardened up. Okay, so that's a tip I didn't know. You got to use it up. So we're just going to put a little bit in there. Oops. Damn it. Oh, that was quite a bit in there. That was my mistake. So we're just going to put a little more in there. And that one. I should even them both out. Yeah, it looks better. Okay, so let's look at the LED headlights. Oh, that looks cool. See, that one's got a little bit of a dome on it. That one's a little low. And you can kind of feel that too. I'm going to add some more on this one too, I think. And get that done. But that's pretty much it, guys. Just showing them real quick using the clear resin there. The Let's Resin stuff. I'll have the link below. And I think it's on sale right now for 17 or 18. It's normally 20 something, which is what I paid when I bought the kit. But get a good deal every now and then. I got to figure out something to use for this quick. I don't want to waste it. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And be back soon. See ya.